Hello folks, Charles Shiver here in Chelsea, Michigan. Look what I got. This is a railroad freight cart donated to the Chelsea Depot Association by the Gandy Dancer restaurant in Ann Arbor, which is housed inside the old Ann Arbor Railroad Depot. Wonderful building. Go there if you get a chance. The Depot Association has commissioned me to restore this, repair the mechanicals as best possible, build a new framework out of wood, repair all the metal, paint, and build some luggage racks as needed. One for the front, one for the back. Kind of a cool thing. There you get a little bit better view of the back. These were used during the railroad period endlessly. There's probably 3 of them left sitting at the Gandy Dancer in Ann Arbor. This one, of course, was the most dilapidated and the easiest for them to get rid of. So stay tuned. We'll let you know how the progress goes. Hey, I'm back again working on the freight luggage cart, and I'm just about to remove the deck from the wheels and hoping I can remember how to put it all back together. I have it pretty well documented, so just wanted you to see this real quick. Cutting the pieces already. Thanks.